Hello everyone, you can see my video 60.4 today. Today is day 7 and this is my ginger tea and my exercise for 30 minutes which are mandatory that I have already discussed in my previous videos. Then this is my breakfast, poha with some veggies and black soak raisins that I kept overnight. This I took approximately 10:30. Then these are soaked almonds. I've taken them around 12:30. And my lunch, salad, sabji, and one roti. As I told you that we have cut down 4 chapatis to 2, and our target will be we will be adding some other grains other than wheat in the next coming weeks. Then is my evening snack. This recipe I have already shared in my shorts. It's a mixture of makhanas, kaju, badam, peanuts. It's a good like you can take it anytime whenever you are having some hunger cravings. And this dinner was like according to me, but yes, maintaining my portion control, I have just taken two of it, and then that's it. Thank you.